Yo, what's going on, guys? Yo, today we're gonna open a double 5-star crystal. Let's go. We got Jay here.
Labrat crystal. That's like him over there.
Massive.
Alright.
Do you want to go first?
Yeah, I'll go a second one, yeah.
Nice. Got that on.
Hopefully, oh no. So
Do you want me to go first?
Oh, come on, please, man. Come
What's making you do a lot of editing?
on. Let's go. Now, hopefully, we
When
can
I
get
see
some
someone who I like, yeah, I saw someone who I liked.
Hopefully, we can get some. Let's see.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Hold up.
Is that good?
No, that's rubbish. Gambit.
I've never seen him in my life.
Oh, I think it's a dupe.
Yeah, but what if it's the first one?
Oh, I mean, a 6-star shards.
Yeah, see, look, first time. I'm a beast.
I mean, yeah. It's alright. Right, my turn now. Come on.
Oh, that's
Oh, yo, let's go. That's sick. That's what I'm talking about.
that was my
Hyperion.
crystal.
See that? That's...
Because remember, you were the first crystal, even though I opened the
No,
first
no,
one.
I don't know what happened. You know, you got a 5-star on yours as well.
Do I actually?
Yeah.
Load up on that one.
Alright, sound. Alright, guys, we'll be back. We've got another 5-star.
Balls on Parade by
Oh, you're level 8.
Balls on Parade by Rage Against the Machine. Yeah, he did a wicked cover of that. Like Denzel
What it is?
Balls on Parade, yeah, pull that out actually, it's nice.
No one's allowed to see. No, let's see.
No one, I'll see.
No, come on, go.
What?
What do you get? What do you get? What do you get?
It's not too bad.
What do you get? What do you get?
Not bad.
What is it?
It's classic Spider-Man.
Oh, no, you weren't Spider-Man meme.
Right, come on then.
You got the profile picture of Spider-Man as well.
Yeah. I told you I'd get it.
Yeah, no, you told me years ago. I remember that. Legend. I remember. I know. Alright, guys, we're back finally. Right, now we've got the 5-star, guys. Right, go on. Hopefully, we can get something amazing.
If I get Blade again, I might stop playing the game again.
Just need to go crazy. Or I'll tell you if you get it's good.
Shall I just like
Spin it, yeah.
not
go on.
show you?
I mean, it's up to you, because it's like your crystal, bro. I mean, it gives a better reaction when we do see like that.
I don't think that's very good.
Oh no, what is it? You guys...
He's sharp.
Oh, bro, let's see who the guy is. That's sick! He's sick!
Yeah.
That's really good. Well, fair play. He's
Yeah.
good. He's good. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.